Hello, this is Hargwin Peterson. I am in Python CSC 110, Mr. Clerk's William class. I'm doing number 5. As you see, it's right here. These two graphs. And I'm gonna explain how I did it. I already have, as you see, this is the picture, this is what it looks like. So we just create code for that. So I use important turtles, and I used the def draw multicolor squares. I mean, I really didn't have to do the multicolors, but I just did make turtle to draw multicolor square of size for I in, like, I used a formula that was given to us before. I used that right here, and the colors, as you see, for the window, turtle screen, in the window, back color light green, which is the whole screen, and those are for the squares. And in mine, I named the square after myself, Gwen Turtle Gwen. The speed I wanted to speed it when I draw it. I don't want it to go slow, so I put a 0. Gwen speed 0. Def, I named my turtle like square or on a square, so it's a square on a square. That's why. And then I gave it 2 sides of it, because we try to draw 2 sides of it. And I said draw a pinwheel square, y in a range 50. I gave for j in a range 2, t forward as size, because just size, we want the size, t right 90, size plus 4. So that's what we're doing. Def red, like red square on a square, t size, the same thing. We repeated that because we drawing a square on square, the same thing. And then we divide the sides by 2 because it's gonna get smaller, so smaller, from smaller to bigger. And then Gwen, we give 8. So let's run it and see if this is exactly what it's gonna look like. And run. Let's see. So yeah, if I just happen to not print, they both came out. This is the last one, together. But let's see the first one, how it comes out. If we comment this out and we just print this part, we just run that part. I might really have to call it. Oh yeah, it's stuck because I didn't call it. So I have to call it. Anyways, so as you see, there are 2 different squares, and then they build up angles. And this is the picture. I'm gonna show you guys the last one, which is this one. So we go from here to here. From this formula is right here, where def draw we set out the windows already with the coloring and everything. And this def a square on a square is this for this one. So right here. Then for this one, I set up right here. So basically, I used import turtle to make the code. And I called the first function draw multiple color square, because that's what I wanted, multiple colors. And I gave color for the windows, color for the squares, what kind of color I wanted them to be drawn, set up the window colors, which I did, and then I gave a name for my turtle, which is Gwen. Turtle, Gwen. I wanted to speed it up. Usually we never really done it in Python, maybe one time, but I use this when I do something like this because it takes a while. Gwen speed 0. Then you know, I did the second function. The first one was for the window. The second one is to start with the squares. With the squares go halfway. They're not actually a square, but half a square. So for I in range 50, I wanted 54. J in range 2. In the size, and 90 to right, and we wanted to add an equals to 40. So the last one, for this one, the formula def wrote square on a square, you know, and draw pinwheel square, which is pinwheel square, looks like pinwheel square. I'm sorry, I accidentally opened Facebook. So yeah, basically that's what it is. Let's see, I'm trying to write it. Let's run it, and if it turns out to be what we actually wrote, hopefully. Ooh, so yeah, as you see, this is cool. This is what happened. The coolest thing. Yep, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye.